member and your next gate assignment. Before leaving us today, if you would please check around your seat area. Check that seat back pocket in front of you if you're any of your personal belongings or valuables. We do have a fresh new group of customers boarding this aircraft very shortly. We'd hate for you to leave anything behind today, so check that space for any of your medication, any of your electronics, all that good stuff. Make sure you grab it with you. Hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Looks like a real nice morning here in Sacramento. Have a great rest of your day. Look forward to seeing you all again real soon back here at Southwest Airlines. Welcome to Sacramento.